Today we are building a complete personal profile page from scratch. Just the VS Code and everything you already know, everything we've learned, we've taught ourselves in this series, right from the beginning here to the end. Over the last several videos, we have covered headings. Let me start from the beginning. So we covered headings. We covered headings, which is our H1, paragraphs, which is the P tag, the P elements, text formatting, which is the bold, the italic, and so on. We also covered links, images, lists, and then forms. So these are our images. We covered lists and then we covered forms. Today is your first real project and we are using all of it. Okay, so this is where everything clicks together. Everything here we've done in the past, we are going to bring everything together and make it a small project. Now, what our personal profile page is going to have is a profile heading with your name, a short paragraph about ourselves, an image, a list of your skills, a list of your favorite things, and a contact form at the bottom. It is, just a small thing you could actually share with people, your friends, just to show them how far you've gone in your HTML skills. Now, let's start from the beginning. What we are going to do now is we are going to pause this for now, and I'm just going to create a very simple I'm going to firstly, I'm sure you guys remember how we created our first folder, which is this, named My First Project. Now we are going to create a new one, but before creating a new one, I want to create a general folder whereby I can just name it my tutorial, or my tutorial videos, right? That is for me. So I'm just going to copy, move this into here, and inside, I think it's because this was opened. I'm just going to cancel this and then move it here. Now, moving it here, I'm going to create a new folder entirely, which that is where we are going to create our small project, our profile project. Now let's do that. I'm going to create a folder and name it My Personal Profile, and I'm going to open it with VS Code. I'm coming, so I'm just going to cancel this, minimize this, and come back to the new. So I'm just going to adjust this. Okay, before adjusting it, let me just before adjusting this, we are going to create a new file inside the new folder, which we are going to name it index.html. Now, the next thing is to create our boilerplate. I hope you guys still remember all of this. If you are a practicing type, you are the type that do practice and have been practicing everything we've done in the past, right from the beginning of this series. So I'm just going to create my boilerplate, and here we have it. So this, I'm going to give it a title, personal profile. Let me just call it my personal, just give it a normal name. My personal profile, Okay, so before typing in anything in the body, I would want to adjust turn on my live server. So I'm just going to turn it on. So it's giving me a blank space. Remember that we've not typed anything inside the body, so we can't see anything right now. So I'm just going to adjust my browser. I want this to be, I want my VS Code to be larger. Now, let's begin. Now we are going to build this page one section at a time, and we are going to start with the header section first. with your name and title. So I'm just going to say H1, which is the larger headings, and say my name is Wizra, right? And let's think of what else to post. I'm going to create an H2 and say a software developer. Now at your end, you might just decide to write anything you wish to write here. You might just decide to write an aspiring front-end developer, or a junior developer. I don't know, aspiring. Yeah, aspiring is better. So it depends on what you want. But as for me, I'm just going to write this. So now let's create our image. This is not something complicated. We just want to make it very simple. So I'm just going to create my IMG, and oh sorry, I forgot to create an image here. So I'm just going to create an image, and let me think of what image to add. I don't know, I'm just going to check. Okay, so I'm going to copy my image from here. This is my image. I'm just going to copy this and then bring it over to my desktop. I'm just going to bring it over here. Yeah, and I'm going to paste, because I already know that it's going to reflect. It's going to reflect in my VS Code. Now I'm going to check my VS Code now, and I'm going to see the picture there, because they are the same folder. I just opened this. I just opened it with VS Code, right? So this is it. As you can see. Now I'm just going to call it here. I'm going to call it and say professional image .jpg. Yeah, so yeah, now I have it on my screen, and this is it, right? Can you see that? Now I'm going to just give this alternative my profile, right? But looking at this image, I'm sure it is also looking big on your screen right now. So we are just going to, without using CSS, we are just going to manipulate this and give it make it smaller so that it would look good. So I'm just going to give it a width of, let's say 200. Let's look at how it looks. Okay, this looks good, but let me try increasing it first. I'm just going to keep it. This is too big, so I'm just going to leave it at 200. 200 looks perfect for it. And now we are going to give an about me. We're going to create an about me section and just say about me. Yeah, so, and then let's start with our P paragraph to give a simple thing about ourselves. And just say my name is Wizra, and I am currently a software engineer who has a product design. This software engineer should be in capital letter, who has a product design experience. I don't know what I can't really wrap my head over what else to write, but if you guys can have a lot to write, you can just add it to write whatever is applicable to you, and you can write as long as you want. So as for me, I'm just going to create my lorem 30, yeah, to make it just look big, look much. Having done that, let's move on to what we are learning. So right now, I'm just going to create another H3 and say what I am learning, what I am learning. Just going to, now let's give this a UL. Let's give this a UL and say, should we give it a UL or a OL, ordered list or unordered list? But let's try unordered list first and say LI. So what we are learning, you can say HTML. So let's say HTML and say structure of the website. I'm going to duplicate this and adjust it. So I'm going to say CSS, color, or let's say design and styling. I'm going to duplicate it again and change it to JavaScript. Third one, I'm just going to call this the third one JavaScript, as we have always been doing, and then making things interactive. Okay. What again? Let's look at another. Okay. So now we are done with the part of what am I learning. So I'm just going to put this and say what I am learning. Okay, so let's look what we are learning, right? Okay, so here I'm going to create another H3. I hope you guys are following, and then my top 5 favorite things. Now let's give this an OL and say LI. So we are going to say learning new things every day. What else? I'm going to create another LI. Let's think. I build, or we build things, or build let's just things from scratch. I'm just going to duplicate this and adjust the third one and say helping others grow. What again? Oh God. Let's say techies. And the last one should be, let's say Misra community, right? Okay, yeah. What else do we think we can add to this? Let me just look at what we learned in the past. Just going to open this. Oh no. Oh God, let me just check it through. Oh God, I've taken it off. Okay, I've taken it off. Let me see if I can find it here. I think we also contact. Okay, so let's create a link and say visit us. No, our anchor tag first, and I'm just going to give a random, or should I give a random? Yeah, let's just give a random website since we don't have one yet. HTTP. If I were you, I don't know, if this was my own project, I'm just going to put my portfolio here, but this is just a general thing for everybody, so I'm just going to put a random one and say https www.visra just a random one. I don't think it's going to take us anywhere good. I'm just going to say visit our website. Can you see that? We have visit our website or our community. Let me just put our community and see how to join. Okay. Now let's create a contact section and say contact us. We're going to say contact us, right? In this aspect, we are just going to create a form. We're going to create a form. I would like to indent this so it won't get confusing. Okay, so the form and say label name, and here I'm just going to say your name. I'm going to give this an input of text. I'm just going to look for input of text. Let's keep searching of text. Now I'm just going to give this name and also name, right? We're going to create another input, and let's look at how it's coming out. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a double colon, your name, and I'm going to give this a BR just for it to come down. Now BR and another BR. I'm going to create my label. I'm going to say email, and here I'm going to write your email for them to see. Your email. Here I'm going to create a BR. I hope you guys still understand how it was being taught in my last video, so that you guys will be able to follow up. If you have not seen that video, you guys should go back and check through the video just to follow up with this new personal profile we are creating. So I'm going to create the name for this email, and then ID should be email, right? As we did in our last video, another BR, and then so we are having it here already. Okay, it's already moving fine. Then label name. Oh, sorry. What should we give our label? Let's just give it a message. Okay, and say your message. I'm going to give it a double colon, a BR, and then input. No, this is not input. This should be a text area. Text area. I'm going to say message. I'm going to give the ID message. Now I want to adjust my row. Should we just leave it like this? Should we leave it like this, or should we give it a row so that we just give our audience or our user the chances of writing a whole lot more? So let's just give it rows and say 5. I'm going to give it colons and give it 40. Looking at the box we have here, isn't it too big? It's not too big. Let's just give them this, and now we are going to create another BR, and another BR. I think this BR is going to be long this time, and another BR again, because this is different. I'm trying to give it a submit button now. So input. Oh, let's just choose the input from what our VS Code is giving us, and I'm just going to look for submit here. Yeah, so input type of submit, and our value should be, I might decide to give it submit as well, to write submit here as well. It depends on what I want, or submit info, just so that it would not, you guys won't get confused. You guys should know that you should know differences between this value and type. The submit here is very, even if I remove this info, you should know that the submit here is different from the submit here, right? If you've not watched this in the video, go back to watch it. The submit here is just the one reflecting on the button space, on the button box. But this submit itself, the type here, is the one that creates the box itself. So this submit is what is creating the box. If I should cancel this submit here, it is nothing. Can you see now that it is looking empty? And this type is what is creating this this box, this small box, waiting for a text to occupy it. But if in this submit, now if I should just make it empty in the type, it means that it is, by default is going to be a text input. So we don't want it to be a text input by default, because we want to specify what we want our input type to be. So we're just going to call it submit, just to create a button box for us. And then here is what would occupy the box to make our users know that it is actually a button, right? So submit, let's just say submit info, or submit message. Yeah, this is, I think this is fine. Submit message. Yeah. Now you guys should save one last time and look at your browser, scroll through it slowly like I'm doing, and you see, scroll through it, right? We have our headings with your name, right? A profile image. We have our headings, what we do, a profile image, an about us section, a skill set of what we are going to learn, our top 5 favorite things, and a link, right? A link taking our users to the community, to our community, and then building a contact us form just for our users to reach us or send us an email. All these are created using our HTML, nothing but HTML. So I want you to take a moment and appreciate this. I want you to look at this, right? If it were to enlarge this and make it, add CSS to it, and want to beautify it, it's not just going to be on the same page. You might just be given this kind of a project by a client to create a landing page for them, just for their business, just for people to visit their website and know that they really exist, right? So, but this is not going to look like this. When we get to CSS, we are going to make this, elaborate this, and to make it look aesthetically nice, right? Looking at this now, this is just using HTML, and so when we get to CSS, we are going to make it nice and make it look good. Do you get? So in our next video, we are going to work on tables, and probably we are going to add the table to our web page, just to add more features to it. Now, your own work, your assignment is, I want you guys to personalize this page completely. Put your real name, your real story, your real skills, make it yours. Take a screenshot of your finished page and drop it in the comments. I want to see what you guys have done. I want to see if you are truly following. I want you guys to share this video with someone who is learning to code, and follow right now, because in our next video we start another topic. See you guys in the next video. Bye.